Struggling to find your art style? Well, here's a tip. First, think of your personal interests, experiences, and then things that inspire you. What subjects, themes, or emotions do you connect with the most? Collect reference materials that reflect your interests and inspire your creativity. Don't limit yourself to a single medium or technique. Experiment with different art materials, tools, and styles. Try your hand at drawing, painting, digital art, sculpting, and more. This experimentation phase allows you to explore without committing to one particular style. Familiarize yourself with different art movements and the works of influential artists from various periods. Analyze their techniques, compositions, and subject matter. This can provide you with valuable insight and inspiration for developing your own style. Choose a specific theme, subject, or concept that interests you, and create a series of artwork around it. As you work on this series, you might notice patterns emerging that point towards your unique style. Share your art with other people and ask for feedback. This can help you improve and make better art. Look at the works of artists that you admire. Pay attention to their use of color, composition, brushwork, and subject matter. Identify elements that draw you in and consider how you can incorporate them into your own artwork. Finding your art style is an ongoing process. While it's important to develop a consistent style, don't be afraid of evolution. As you gain experience and grow as an artist, your style may naturally change and develop. Embrace this evolution and let it shape your artistic identity.